Good morning everyone! Today is a 13th day and my breakfast. Si Kati naman nagluto ng pork adobo, napakasarap. I'll show you guys. Pero okay lang ako. Oh my goodness gracious! It's super yummy! Tyrese, what is this? What is this? What is Tita cooking?
Adobo.
Wow! Ayun, naguto siya ng pork adobo na napakasarap. Sobrang bango. I'm sure masarap na masarap yun. And ako, ito lang. And then, maglaro ko ng badminton. And after that, before pala, magkakape pa pala ako. Let's have one shot of espresso para go, go, go! Wow. Ito tayo ngayon. Last time sobrang taba ngayon. Hi friends. I am on the way to the badminton court. And time check, it's 10 o'clock in the morning. Dahil gusto ko talagang mag-workout sa umaga. Kasi kapag sa umaga ako nag-workout, talagang straight na yung energy ko. Kasi kapag hapon na, parang medyo naubos na yung energy ko. Kasi pag nag-start yung araw ng bonggang pawis, exercise, ang napakasarap ng feeling. Kasi mabilis kasi ako makatulog sa gabi talaga. Kapag higa pa lang, ayan, after 10 minutes or 15 minutes, nakakatulog na talaga ako kaagad. Kaya, prefer ko talagang mag-exercise or maglaro sa umaga. And, kasi hindi ako nagtitake ng nap. Minsan-minsan lang, pag sobrang pagod na talaga yung katawan ko. Kaya, nakapag-nap ako. But, kung hindi, talagang hindi ako nagnanap. Hindi ako yung tipong nagsisiesta sa tanghali. At parang kapag after ng exercise or kapag nakapaglaro ako ng badminton, ayun, mas marami akong nagagawa pala sa bahay. Kasi mas umagrabe yung energy ko. Kaya I prefer to exercise early in the morning. And kung sana kung wala lang sana akong binabantayan na bata or si baby Tyrese, kahit mga 5 a.m. pwede na akong sanang mag-jogging. Kaso nga lang, nangingi kasi siya ng milk at ayaw ko naman kasing si Asoka yung kasi ayaw kong maano yung tulog ni Asoka. Gusto ko siya makatulog sa Asoka ng straight. Okay lang ako kasi wala naman akong trabaho. Si Asoka lang naman ang punta ng office or maglalaro ng golf. Kaya mas mabuti na yung ako yung nagigising lagi. Kasi pag anytime naman na aantukin ako sa tanghali, let's say, pwede naman ako matulog anytime. So anyway, ito yung progress. Last time super big, so ngayon medyo lumiit na yung sa part dito. Talagang grabe yung pinagbago. And salamat guys. So hindi ko pa naano tong buhok ko, Diyos ko po. So pina-Brazilian ko, pero hindi ko pa kasi naligo kasi hindi daw pwedeng liguin ng mga 3 days daw, sabi ng kaibigan ko na si Del, pero hindi ko kaya. So mamaya maliligo na ako. Kapag hindi ako naligo, hindi ko siya binasa, pero of course naligo naman ako, but yung ulo lang, yung buhok lang hindi. Kasi nga may medisina daw at saka hindi daw pwedeng i-wash daw after ng Brazilian. So mamaya ko na to ililigo kahit bukas pa. Hindi ko kaya. Anyway guys, malapit-lapit na ako. See you guys later. Mary, say again. Uh-oh.
Guys, destroy that cookie.
Oh my God.
A cookie dress.
Okay, look up here first. Look up here. Look, you're so handsome, boy. You want to see Bob?
I want to see Bob.
I want to see Bob.
I want to see Bob.
How many Bob you want to see? How many? How many? You count? Can you count? How many you want? How many Bob you want to see? Handsome boy ka ayo. Oh. Let's go. Let's go. Say let's go. Yes, what are you doing? You copy mommy. Let's go. Okay. Your vitamins. Okay, let's go now. Don't drop the key. Come look up here. Hi.
I see Bob.
Okay, we go see Bob now. Hello everyone. We are here waiting for the train to pass by again. Say hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
Please subscribe.
I'll cry.
So cute. What are you waiting for? Waiting for?
Bob.
Hmm? Hello everyone. 13th day. Let's go. That's the train. And my son is so happy. Wow, look at that, son. Say goodbye now.
Bye, Bob.
See you later tomorrow, Bob.
See you later tomorrow, Bob.
See you tomorrow, Bob.
See you tomorrow, Bob.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Hello, everyone. We are going to climb the mountain today. I am going for a trail or hiking, something like that. So I'm gonna go in a while and I will be alone. Kasi wala akong mga kaibigan na gustong pumunta sa bukid ngayon. So ako lang. Anyway, let's do this. Alright, let's go. I am actually excited to wear my U Trail shoe, yung binili ko. So, ayan. First day natin isuot sa 13th day ng ating diet. Sa 13th day ng ating diet, susuot natin siya. Right. Alright. So, meron akong stick para madali na lang at mabilis pag-akyat sa bukid. Stay healthy everyone. Let's go. Everyone. I think I am almost halfway sa taas. Grabe. And half. I think more than half pa. Grabe. You have to go on top. There. So, ayan na. Bagong sapatos natin. And the stick, I don't know if this one helps. Right, let's go. We're here on top. I have to drink water first. Whew. Alright, let's go. Hi guys! Yun, malapit na tayo dito sa my entrance. Ayan, hindi ko nakapag video. Kasi ang daming unggoy kanina. Grabe, guys, ang ganda ng bulaklak dito. Pero hindi mo pwedeng like kunin. Yan. Ganda. See? Diyan tayo kanina at now we are going to go on. Let's go. Guys, bukas ay ka-14 day namin. Simula nung kami diet, ng ganitong diet. So tomorrow is the weigh-in, 14 day. And I'm very hopeful. Whew. Now, let's go back home. So, yung pause natin. Sila, pakadami. Ayan. Kanina, napakadami. Huwag ka lang magdala ng pagkain kasi talagang aagawin nila. Bye, monkey! Bye for now! Guys, nakarating ako sa bahay. Ngayon ay inalalakad ko na lang si Titan. Hello? Say hello to them. Titan, sit! Sit! Wait lang. Busy. Come here. Come here, Titan. Come here. Sit! 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 Okay, stay. Stay. Okay, let's go. Grabe. What now? Okay, go back. Agan, roa. Okay. Let's go. Hi guys. So, labas kami and yeah. Hello. Happy Friday everyone. So, lalabas kami. Walang inom, walang kain, hindi kami kakain, sasayaw lang. Bye guys.